Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 door lock problems and the likely reasons behind them. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Door lock problems in the Ford F-150 are commonly described as doors not locking or unlocking with the key fob, power lock switches not responding, locks operating intermittently, or certain doors behaving differently from others. Verified owner reports and service information show that door lock concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on electrical system design, actuator type, and vehicle usage. One verified and frequently reported cause involves door lock actuator failure. Over time, the electric actuators inside the doors can wear out or fail, resulting in slow response, partial movement, or complete loss of locking and unlocking function for individual doors. Another confirmed cause relates to wiring and electrical connection issues. Wires running through door hinges can become damaged from repeated opening and closing, leading to intermittent power loss to the lock actuators or switches. Key fob or remote entry-related problems are also documented factors. Weak key fob batteries, signal interference, or pairing issues can prevent locks from responding to remote commands, even though the locks may still work using interior switches. Body control module-related behavior has also been reported. Since the body control module manages power door lock operation, faults, communication errors, or software-related issues within this module can affect lock functionality across multiple doors. Door latch and mechanical linkage issues are another verified consideration. Internal latch mechanisms can bind, wear, or become misaligned, preventing the lock from fully engaging or disengaging even when the actuator operates. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include moisture intrusion inside door panels, aftermarket alarm or remote start installations, or low system voltage affecting lock operation. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include testing door lock actuators, inspecting wiring in door harnesses, replacing key fob batteries, scanning the body control module for fault codes, and repairing or replacing faulty latch components. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 door lock problems are resolved through actuator replacement or wiring repair rather than full control module replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, door configuration, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford F-150 door lock problems are typically linked to actuator wear, wiring damage, key fob-related issues, or body control module behavior. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.